Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable voice chat on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here, you need to open up a browser, then you need to go to fabricmc.net, press download and press on for download for Windows and save it to your computer. Then what you need to do here, you need to look for Fabric API, also press download and download for Windows as well. Save it to your desktop. And then make sure it's select download the verified file. Don't worry, it won't be any kind of viruses here. Then what you need to do here is to just go and write simple voice chat and select simple voice chat by Modrint. Then what you need to do here is to select game versions and select the latest version. Press download and save it to your computer. And once you have these three files, first of all, what you need to do here is to press Fabric Installer and install it, right? If your game is opened, probably you get an error, so make sure Minecraft is completely closed and you should be fine. If you're getting error, this means you don't have Java or Minecraft is not completely closed. Then what you need to do here is to open up your Minecraft launcher. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations, and then select a Fabric Loader 1.21.8. Press on the open installation folder. Then go to mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, just press new and create one. Then you need to put Fabric API and voice chat here. Then you just need simply go to Fabric Loader 1.21.8 and press play. Then guys, once you're in the game, press letter V and then go to settings. As you can see here, there is pretty much a lot of things that you can do. You can set the right microphone here. You can set the right speaker. You can select push to talk and bunch of different things. You can, as you can see here, make a microphone open or public or push to talk. And then you just need to, in my case, press K. And as you can see here, I'm speaking on Minecraft, right? Also, there are some servers that enable voice chat is enabled, like Donut SMP. You can go there and use it as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.